Yeah, that's how it is naturally. Yeah, family, so we're back on set and we're at the petrol station where we're gonna get some gas. We're gonna get some gas. Yeah, family. So we're at the petrol station and we're gonna get some gas. Gas, gas, gas. You know that song? We're gonna get some gas. Yeah, family. So we actually, you know what I mean? We're on set, and as you guys know, this is a big moment for Jamaica right now. When you look at that Safaricom ad, and you see the Jamaican passport, you're gonna be shocked and joyful. Yeah, family. So, yeah, final set, final shoot today. Yeah. Yeah, family. So as I said before, we're at the final shoot at the petrol station, family, and this is big, family. This is big for Jamaica because it's with Safaricom, which is the biggest. You know, what I mean, also Safaricom is the biggest telephone network in Africa that actually produce M-Pesa, and you know, M-Pesa is on the Safaricom network, and that's the reason why I'm happy. So you see over there, so them put on the makeup and stuff because of the final set this family. But it's gonna be a big ad, and to see Jamaican and this other family, it's no normal. It's no normal. So, like, share, yes, them hire jamtours to be a language, language speaker. So I have to be the one to actually, I would say, put the patois where it needed, so it can feel and sound like Jamaican, really in a Kenya, really come for the Olympics, really come for the track and field. So that's what me do, family. So my job is to actually, you know what I mean, make them get the Jamaican twang and lingo the right way, so make it sound good in the ad. Yeah. So you see, even a language you never like, I put money in your pocket. Your family language you never like, and until you say you don't speak this language, try to speak proper English and all kind of madness. And the same language now, everybody love the Jamaican language in Kenya. I can even start do Jamaican language class, Jamaican patois class for one. Yeah.
All the way from Jamaica. Drop some lines. For some lines, you know.
What kind of line you know want? You know want a line pan top of line? An office line. What are the real line? You know what I mean? A Safaricom line. And you have to have the line if you want to. You know what I mean? Yeah, family. So we're there. Them say they want a piece, let me give them a piece. You know? Yeah, family. So, our vibes. You know what I mean? Jamaica, large right now. When you watch this ad, when they watch the other Jamaica, and see the Jamaican passport, Jamaica are going to turn over in the Safaricom ad. Yeah, family. So, yeah. You hear that? You hear that? When the girl over Kenya broke off them back. Hey girl, come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Come broke off your back. Yeah, fam, so they're fan set. You know what I mean? Safaricom, I gonna have the big bad Jamaica lingo and passport in a them ad. You know what I mean? That's a big thing. A big damn thing for Jamaica. So look out for that. Yeah, family. So as you can see, they make a stop and them actually at a convenience store to buy something. Shelly and Fraser Price, Sharika Jackson, and Elaine Thompson in Kenya right now. Live on set. Yeah, them call him Mr. Dialect on set. Mr. Dialect. But anyways, family, it's a good move. And if Jamaicans see this, they're gonna be so happy. You guys gonna learn how to use them better. Yeah. Yeah, family, they ask me if I want a smoke. They ask me if I want a smoke, so I tell them, say, light me up. Light me up with a spliff. Light me up with a spliff. Yeah, family, so live and set. Live and set, Jam Tours Africa. And I mean, let's do this. Jamaica and Kenya, we have bridged the gap. 1-1 4 full basket at the start this. Live and set. Let's start. Live on set, family. Live on set. Live on deck. Live on set. The big man. Yeah. Action. Start. Action. Speak louder than words.
Excellent working. That was beautiful. No other one can never see you. Tighten it up, tighten it. Let's go. Higher. Down steep. Hello, camera. Thank you. Camera set. And action! Go! Go! Go to the gas! And cut! God, thank you for being with us. Thank you for protecting us. As we meet tomorrow, Lord, give us an even more amazing day. Bless us, keep us, be in each and every one of us as we go home. In the mighty name we do pray, trusting and believing. Amen. What does grief? What's the meaning of grief?
Jah Rastafari.
People, the time now is 6:08. Go home, you beautiful people. See you tomorrow, bright and early.
Jah Rastafari.
Pop, pop,
Pop, pop, pop, pop. Jah Rastafari. Yeah. Alright, family. Tomorrow we start again. Alright, family. Work a go on.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Might look nice, man. Hey family, so as I said before, I tell you guys I want to actually fix up this place and the white splash and dirtiness that you see. We don't like them things for kitchen family, so we've tried to actually put the marble thing inside so that they are fixing it now family. So yeah. But this is too much, right? It's not too much. Okay. Oh, this is the last piece.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Last piece. Yeah, family. So, we now put piece here, so too, right?
Yeah?
Here, so this, yes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, nice. All right, family. So work I go on. Work done. Let's check the other shop. So this is the kitchen, family, and then yes or no, I go be the dining here where you come, sit down and eat. Nice ambience. Come on, relax and chill yourself. Maybe I gotta have a TV there, so I don't know how we're gonna set it up. We're gonna have some little glass case with like Jamaican shirt and souvenir. We're gonna have a little smoothie bar here, right? So we're gonna have a little place here so you can play domino if you come and want to play games. And you know what I mean? The place are gonna nice up. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. It's gonna nice up like a pound of rice up. It's gonna nice up like a pound of rice up. Yeah, family. So yeah. Work are gone. Work must done. Alright family, so my brother here from Trinidad pull up the Caribbean thing. And how was the food?
Delicious, bro. Delicious, man. Enough.
What do you like the most?
Bro, everything. The plantain and the oxtail.
Oxtail,
100%.
yeah. Alright man. Big up, thanks for coming. And we're there.
Anytime, man. Much respect.
Big up. One love.
One love, shoot.
Jack Cure there, where Jack Cure? Where the cure? Can't find the cure. Woyoy family, woyoy. Feel like a Sunday morning in Jamaica right now. You know what I mean? But you know me, I just eat one meal a day. But this is like definitely a Jamaican meal right now. Oh yeah, so we have some, see? The vegan Jamaican. The Wagwan Jamaican restaurant. Pull up for your Jamaican taste and flavor. Family. So you step into Little Jamaica. And I'm just eating some green bananas, some callaloo, some curry goat and some avocado. And if you want a family, as a Jamaican, you can customize your food. Just send it to the restaurant, WhatsApp us, and we create it for you. So if you don't have callaloo in a long time, if you don't have boiled banana in a long time, if you don't have dumpling in a long time, you know what I mean? You just actually just say, I want this, I want actually some dumpling and some banana and some pumpkin and some yam with some curry goat and some greens and some avocado. We can get it done for you. Because I know a lot of people in diaspora, you guys live in the States and you guys don't have access to the food. And what I love Kenya for, Kenya has access to the food so we can cook it for your family. So you can feel like you're in Jamaica. I'm really enjoying this right now. I haven't eaten this. I just come and say, hey, I want this, I want this. and the chef cook it for my family. So we can do the same thing for you if you have Jamaican food cravings.